Well, here's this Comfort Zone 9-inch box fan. No, it's a 10-inch box fan actually, because I've just like measured it with a tape measure, so it's 10 inches. As you may know, I made a video, not a 2024 remake, on my Black & Decker 10-inch box fan. Now it's time for a 2024 remake of this. So this essentially is the 2024 version of the 2009 Massey box fan. It has the same sort of switch dial as all these 9-inch box fans. On the side, there's unfortunately a chip in the foot, but it doesn't really affect the stability. Here's the back. Sorry about the noise in the background, but yeah. I'm gonna close the door just to get rid of it. I think the logo on this is actually newer than the logo that's on my wall fan. I don't know. So here's the low. It's very quiet. Here's medium. It doesn't blow much air. And here's high. So, yeah, there's a 2024 remake on this Comfort Zone 10-inch box fan. Thanks for watching. Peace.